Hi, my name is Anthony Shaherlis, and today we're going to be providing you with some insight in terms of how Iris Hosting can enable yourself and organization to work from virtually anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. The content of this video will revolve around providing you with more clarity around Iris Hosting and its benefits as well. To begin, I just want to discuss what Iris Hosting is. It essentially powers your organization with a remote desktop server which can host all of your desktop-based solutions. This means you can access your desktop-based products from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. No matter what software you use, that being Iris Docs, Office 365, third-party software, files, and Iris software too, these are all things we can have in our hosted environment that you can essentially connect to and use flawlessly from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Not only that, but this system also looks to cover your IT requirements as well. And what I mean by this is the software updates that you have will automatically happen outside of working hours if it's Iris owned software. If it's third party, a simple email to let us know when the update will be released will be enough for our team to action this update outside of working hours for you as well. The same occurs for any Windows updates and any other maintenance a server may need. Now what this creates for you is an environment that's always on, always ready, and made available for you to log in and do the work that you need to do. Now, in many organizations' cases, this solution would not only allow their staff to work from virtually anywhere, this will ensure all staff have a platform to actually work from, regardless of being in the office or not. And this platform can include all software, files, and any other things you love to use within the same environment. Don't worry about staff rotas being tied to specific jobs or trying to find more space to bring staff in. By using hosting, we're providing the business cover against any unforeseen circumstance that could arise. From COVID-19 to floods, power cuts, or even building issues, you will never have to worry about any of these variables affecting the integrity and quality of the organization and its ability to deliver the work in times as well, reducing chances of disgruntling clients, incurring penalties or fees, or delaying that work that could cause other issues for the organization too. Now, I just want to go through why this will help your organization in a bit more detail. So if we think of the ease of use, you've now got a platform that can allow you to connect to your business wherever without any complex routines. You simply open remote desktop environment, you log into your account, you can use dual factor authentication if you have it with us, and from that point onwards, you're ready to go. You're in the environment, everything you need is there, all the files and all the software you deal with are available to you. They also feature the latest updates, both from Windows or the software itself, ensuring that you're working on the latest and best version of the pieces of software and tools that you have available to you. The next is the flexibility. Now, I understand that during this current climate, it is very difficult for businesses to plan ahead. However, if a business is looking at alternatives, those alternatives look like buying a server in-house. Now, this involves costs such as IT, but also how can we guarantee that that server is going to be used to its maximum effect? And what I mean by this is you could purchase a server today and you might not grow into the number of users you need to get that maximum benefit. Or you could again purchase a server or a small amount of employees and outgrow that server, meaning you now have to buy a new one before it's actually fulfilled its cycle. Both of these are risky investments. You need to be sure that you're going to cover this investment and that you're going to gain maximum benefit from it. Otherwise, you may lose a few pennies in the process. Using Iris Hosting, you only pay for the users, additional security options, and storage, meaning regardless of how you grow, both up or down, you just adjust the number of users depending on where you are within the contract, and from that point onwards, you're now paying for a system that scales with you. You're never paying for more than what you need or less than what you need using Iris Hosting because it's designed to grow with your business regardless of which direction that's going to be. Last but not least is security. Again, by providing a similar effect internally by buying a server, you also have to worry about the security side of things too. It's not just providing the staff with a platform, it's ensuring it's safe, it's secure, and that the data is being handled within the right levels of compliance and legislation. Within Iris Hosting, we not only provide you with SSL encryption from the moment you connect to our server, there is a firewall, an antivirus, and anti-malware activated too. We also have the ability to provide you with dual factor authentication, meaning you have to authorize yourself and any other participants who enter the server using an app or a USB depending on your requirements. Again, ensuring that that environment is safe and secure and that we're using that data within the right ways. I hope this shows you the benefits that Iris Hosting can provide yourself and your organization. Thank you very much for your time.